Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the stone drying mat for your plates, for your silverware, for your cups, your mugs, anything. This one is actually one of those like make it all. The good thing about this one is that it's 24 by 16, but you can make it smaller or you can make it bigger if you want. Let me show you. I'm gonna actually do some of the dishes here and show you how this one actually works with the drying stone, like super fast drying. So from starters, this one is actually kind of like foldable. So what you can do is you will have to put this one right here, and it comes with a kind of like a silicone pad, so it won't damage your kitchen countertop, for example. You can do this if you want and make it to be just a little bit smaller and just kind of like work it out with this mesh that you have over here on the bottom. One thing that I will say is that if you have pets, the cat hair or dog hair may stick on this one a little bit, so you will have to wash it from time to time. But I think it's perfect just to be kind of like this unfolded, because it's really long and it's actually quite heavy, I have to say, but it looks just fantastic. It kind of like works so nice with our kitchen countertop, and this is how it works. So let me actually do this, for example, just a little bit when I'm actually washing this one, and you'll see how fast this one will start to actually fade. Let's put this one right here, and let's do this one. Why not? Let's just do this glass as well. They were kind of like clean, so I'm not gonna use any detergent or something like that or soap, but you can just take a look at this. Take a look at how fast this one is drying up. So you don't have to use any fabric. You don't have to use any piece of clothing or something like that, or fabric. Again, you will kind of like use this one, and this is going to be your main one. So check it out. This one is going to start like fading right away. You can see that this one fade already. Oh, one thing, actually, this one comes with a standing thing. I don't know how to call it. So it comes with that. So I would say that probably do it one more time in each one of the sections, and that's gonna be it. So you will have to sand it just a little bit, about like 3 minutes, no more than that. And you can see this disappear already. This one is fading already. This one is fading already, but there's nothing here. So after 2, 3, 4 minutes, they will go away. So you don't have to worry about any kind of like, again, piece of fabric or anything, or one of those like big racks. Just use this and you will be all set. Or if not, if you have one of those big racks, put it on top of this one and let it drip, and that's it. That's everything you will have to need. I like it. I do recommend it.